Very nice. It's very good. Yeah, we like it a lot. So far, one of my favorite places to be. It's beautiful, nice people. Yeah. We actually did K2 base camp, so Saling, Skardu, and Shingla Valley and Ascole. Yeah, this area. I feel very safe and very welcoming.
Hello, I'm from Belgium, and we really like Pakistan. It's super nice here. Yes, I think it is. We come from India now, and if I feel more safe here. Definitely come. It's super nice here. Don't be afraid and just come. We travel from Belgium with car, so yeah, we pass by, and then we passed here in February, and now we came back because it was too cold then, and we went to do K2 base camp trekking.
Pakistan. Before I go to Pakistan, I was a little bit unsure how are the people, and I welcome here as a tourist. But I think the people are very friendly, and yes, I hope I'm welcome here.
Yeah, we arrived yesterday from Islamabad by plane, and so far really enjoying our trip here. The people are very friendly, so that's very nice. And today we went up to a lake. I don't know the name anymore. Afterwards, to a nice place where we had a nice meal with fresh fish and fresh fish, and yeah, really good so far. I'm looking forward to our trip to the Valdoro Glacier, maybe K2 base camp, and yeah, I'm really glad to be here.